Hey guys, Jace here from Off-Road Warehouse, and today we're going to talk about Artec Industries. Did a little facility tour of their building today, and I could say I was impressed. All made in the USA, handmade, hand-welded. Today we're going to take a look at the Artec Industries Bantam series front bumper. This thing's very heavy-duty, 3/16, all reinforced with steel behind, gussets you can see on the hoop here. Heavy-duty D-ring mounts. It's ultra-high clearance. Gets pushed back about 4 inches from the factory bumper, giving you a better approach angle for off-road. It does have the recessed winch in there. Allows for a 12.5K winch, and it is recessed very low to give you optimal airflow into the grill for keeping the engine cool. It does come with a hoop or non-hoop option, so you do have the ability to go with the hoop or stinger, or leave it bare with no hoop or stinger. You can also get it powder coat finish or bare finish, but this bumper is very heavy duty. So this Bantam series bumper, available for the JK, JL, JT Jeep Wranglers, are available front and rear, and this Bantam front bumper is definitely the way to go. Way better approach angle, nice, clean, and sleek. Bantam series front bumper from Artec Industries.